I'm feeling pretty lazy as usual, but I'd like to have some kind of nice, yummy, hot meal, so I'm gonna cook. That's a bomb breakfast skillet. It's got bacon, so of course it is. This guy at the gas station who was like cleaning out here totally called me out. I had my tripod out and was just like filming myself getting gas, which I was like, oh god, I hope nobody comes up on me. I was like the only one around here. Car pulled up, that guy walked behind me and he's like, you aren't taking pictures of me, are you? I was like, no, but he was joking. And then I went inside and got my Diet Coke, and he came in when I was buying it and was like, you're not taking pictures of that guy, are you? To like the guy at the register. It is pretty cringe being a vlogger in public. That's why I've chosen to be like an outdoor, nature, wilderness, as alone as possible kind of vlogger, because I don't want to make other people uncomfortable with me filming, and also it's like kind of embarrassing. There was just such a cute old lady like washing her windows at the gas station. I'm like, I want to film her. Like, she's probably more interesting than me. She probably has like hella stories. I mean, most people who I encounter out here are probably more interesting than me. And I would love to like document other people's lives. That's one thing I was thinking when I was getting into YouTube, is with the travel and everything, that it would be really cool to like, I would be really interested in like doing pieces, cultural pieces on the places I visit and the people who live there, getting real stories from like different cultural groups and whatnot. It's one of those things that like I've never done, and I'm not an outgoing person. Like, I would consider myself an introvert, but I love people and I'm so fascinated by their stories. So it's probably never gonna happen, but um it would be cool. It would be cool. It feels kind of self-centered, just vlogging. Hey, it's all about me. And it is, because that's what I decided to do. But yeah, I want to be part of the world. Like, I want more interaction with the people and the places that I visit. And like, I know that you can do that if you like stay on farms or do any number of volunteering or work opportunities, and I've done things like that before, and that would be a good way to make connections within a community and like get interviews for people. But there's plenty of YouTubers who go out and they interview people, strangers. They just go up and ask. I feel like I would probably need a co-host to do that with me because I wouldn't be bold enough. But I mean, it's only a couple of decisions away, like putting yourself out there to try something that feels new and uncomfortable. But I'm so awkward. I would just crumble into a pile and dissolve. Probably. So I'm just gonna keep vlogging for now. I hope y'all like it good enough. The antique shop closed early. There's a big sign that says going out of business sale. Back out on the trail. Check this out, y'all. I just got this little, it's like a water bottle side purse thing, but it fits my tripod with my GoPro, and my keys are in here. So convenient. Look, a gosling. I see 3 little goslings bobbing their heads up out of the grass. Ah! It's that, oh my gosh, so cute. It's that springtime baby animal season. Little wild geese babies. Ponds and streams are some of the most calming places for me to go, and aquatic zones are just teeming with life. I'm just like looking in this murky little pretty still pool and like watching and see how many different forms of life, like insects, I see. And I just counted 8, and it's like the longer you look, the more you notice. Places like this are just teeming with life. Like, I know if I turned over rocks, well, I feel like if I turned over rocks, there would be more life forms living underneath. If anything scurried out from under there. Maybe not. But I remember when I was a kid and we were in elementary school, I tried that. Well, we did that, and there was like all types of like little crawdads and stuff underneath. I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. So much life here in the spring. All of these animals are raising their babies in this communal pond. How beautiful and simple a life. Alrighty, folks. I think I'm gonna sign off for today. I'm just gonna head to the Planet Fitness and get in a little workout because might as well. I love being fit. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, check out my other socials, there's more of me there. So, bye-bye, see you in the next one.